guys, I absolutely love long straight hair. That is like my signature look. So I'm going to be preparing my hair for that, and I'm going to be using some Moroccan oil. Any old Moroccan oil will be good. Just adding some moisture to my hair because it's quite dry. I went to the gym and then all that. Anyway, so I'm going to be laying down my edges because they're very frizzy from the gym, and I'm using the Bonnie Lush hair pomade, and this is the candy pomade paste, extra hold and shine. It is good for relaxed hair and natural hair, and right now my hair is just straight and curly at the front, so I'm just gonna brush that through and then tie it down. I'm gonna add my wig cap on top. I absolutely love this wig company just because I feel like every single order, every single style that is sent to me is absolutely amazing. It just blows it out of the water. Like, their hair is absolutely amazing quality. This unit actually came pre-plucked, and also the front, it was already the knots were already bleached, so I didn't really have to do much, thank God, because with me I cannot be asked. So all I'm going to be doing is just parting the hair on the side, because I like mine, I like a side part, and I'm not a middle parting type of girl. I don't know why, it just makes my face look weird, especially because I have like a wider face. I think side parting really does help. So I'm just cutting some baby hairs with the scissors. So like I just go like a vertical angle and just try cut them, but I try not to like make them really thick or really long, so I try to make them really short. I cannot master the art of baby hairs at the moment, but oh well. So I'm going to be using my toothbrush and my VO5 styling mousse. I'm just going to be using that to make the baby hairs go all fleeky. So that didn't go out well, so I have to try again. Baby hairs are so hard to master. I don't know how some girls do it, bro. I'm still a beginner. Anyways, about this hair, I forgot to tell you. It's a Brazilian virgin hair. It's about 20 inches. It's the natural color is like a blackish type of brown. It's 130% density, so it's not super thick. It's just nice and light, so you won't feel like it's like heavying you down, especially in this blazing heat that we're experiencing that's causing me to have a heat rash. Lord have mercy. Yeah, so it's a light yaki texture, and it's like got a glueless cap. If you use my code SHAN10, you'll get 10% off any orders over $100. So it's worth entering in and stuff like that. So that basically is the information about the hair. I did put a band in there. It has combs and stuff like that. I don't really like touch the sides of the hair. Like sometimes you see when I do move it, you can see the lace at the side. I don't really glue it down because right now I'm trying to preserve my edges, so I really am trying to stay away from all the gluing down and got to be type deals. But yeah, anywho, I'm going to be using my BB cream as a way to kind of like tint the lace just a little bit more so it can blend in with my skin, because right now it's still decent and it's quite light, but I just feel like I just need to add that that little extra and stuff like that. And by the way, what I used to straighten my hair was just a I think it was a Babyliss hair straightener. It's a cheap one for £20 from Argos. I think I need to invest in some proper heavy duty straightener so I can have the hair straight for longer and stuff like that. But yeah, my hair is fleeky, right? I think it's really fleeky, and this is like the best style ever. I feel like Pocahontas, like a black Pocahontas. Absolutely awesome. Okay, that sounded weird. Anyways, I use the VO5 styling mousse again just to like tame the flyaways and just to like keep the hair well behaved and just to stay in place. After you do this, you can just go ahead and tie it down. I didn't, and then in the end I had to tie it down again. But you know what, it's cool. This hair is so soft, absolutely beautiful quality. I always recommend Oh My God hair, because like every single hairstyle that I've had from them, it's absolutely fab, and I'm really feeling this hair. So that is my go-to look, guys. You don't have to wear contacts if you don't want. You can just wear your natural eyes. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.